Okay, I want to talk briefly about zip ties. In case you've never used a zip tie before, it's basically just a plastic tie that when you thread one end through the other and pull it, it'll clamp in place whatever tightness you pull it to. Now it's important that we'll call this the running end. It's important that the running end goes through the standing end in this orientation, not like this. If you try to put it in this way, it won't work with the bulbous part on this side. You gotta flip it around, and you want the bulbous side on the back, and then you thread it in. Now, so for example, I want to use this for cable management. So I want to clamp this cable down here, something like that. So I'll put my zip tie around both of them. You see it's around both of them, and then thread my running end through my standing end, something like that. And then you can hear, you might be able to hear it on the video, maybe not over the motors. I can tighten it up like that and it won't go anywhere. And then I can just clip off this extra bit of end. Now these are sort of semi-permanent. If you need to take it off, you can clip it. You can clip it with the clippers. But the idea is that you can sort of set them and forget them. So you'll want to do this for your cables. Make sure that your cables can't snag on the bed while it's moving around.